whatever it may be, it is easily to understand what actually it contains. Yes or no? I will tell you one example. So for example, if you went to supermarket, if you want something, means whether that particular item is better, medical shop example. If you went to some medical shop, means what immediately you will ask, ma, you will ask for some tablet or some particular syrup. What actually the persons are going to be do, ma, inside the medical shop, immediately they are going to be see something in the system, yes or not? So what they are going to checking, whether that particular things are available or not. Okay, so whatever the information they are going to be maintaining, if they want the information at a glance, the same information can be maintained in the form of images also. Okay, so that particular thing I want to convey you. This is how the computer graphics are going to be done with the visualization. Okay, so seeing the things in the form of a text or seeing the things in the form of a images are different, yes or no? As I told you, if I want to convey something, means if the same thing, if I draw you and show you, it is very understandable for all of us. And if the same thing I am going to be writing, means of course that particular writing may be understood by some persons or may not be understood by some other persons. Okay, so for visualization purpose also we are going to be using what are the general visualizations, means color coding, graphs, charts. If you want to know how actually the brain functioning, is there some protein structures which are internally inside the body, all these things we are going to be using this computer graphics also. Coming to the next application, computer art. As I told you, say for example, our basic application in our system, Microsoft Paint, PowerPoint, animation. In PowerPoint you can use, you are using animation, yes or not? You can have the screen to be having some graphics. This is that particular thing you means this whether you have to have a circle, you have to be having a line, if you want to have some triangle, whatever the things it may be, different shapes, cartoon drawings, cartoon shapes, or advertisements. So say for example, if you are having any a thing in the college, say for example, if you are having any fest in the college, means what actually first you are going to be having, some who are going to be selecting one particular logo, and you are telling to that particular person, this have to be the t-shirt. How it is going to be taking, coming nothing but this with the help of this computer graphics only. Okay, so I can say some of the cartoon shapes, drawings, paintings, product advertisements, logo design, etc., etc. Can we create games? Of course, definitely. This is how the computer graphics are going to be used. We are going to use computer graphics for enhance the quality of the picture. As I already told you, the movies in the previous days and the movies at present. Okay, so the main thing what we are observing here is the quality of the picture. Yes, so how that particular quality of the picture is going to be done, means with the help of this image processing only. Okay, so to enhance the quality of the picture, this image processing is going to be used in multiple areas, okay? So it is used in robotics, it is used in medical areas, different different methods. Of course, in each and every digitized image wants to be viewed on the screen, means how what we are going to be using, obviously the computer graphics. Okay, so these are the different applications where we are going to be using this computer graphics. I will again have a glance once again. What are the applications? Computer aided design, presentation graphics or graphs, entertainment, education and training, visualization, computer art, image processing. Okay, so these are the different applications where the computer graphics are going to be used. Next, next we'll see what are the softwares used in computer graphics. One second. Hope my screen is visible, right? right? Is the screen visible? Softwares used. Please reply me in the chat box, anyone? What are the softwares used in the applications what we have been discussed? Is the screen visible? Yeah, yeah, yes, done. Good. Yes. Now we have seen several applications of the computer graphics. Now we will see what are the softwares used here in each and every these applications. The first application we have seen CADMA, computer aided design. What are the softwares we are going to be using means AutoCAD, TurboCAD. I am telling the basic softwares, not only this. Nowadays, so many softwares may be applicable. Okay, so just I am telling the basic softwares. Okay, so here in CAD we are having AutoCAD as well as TurboCAD. These are the software used in the first application, computer aided design. Coming to the next one, presentation graphs or presentation graphics. As I told you, the basic thing we are using is MS PowerPoint. Okay, so by using this thing only, we are going to be having all the things. So say for example, as I told you, if I want to have the student information, what is his percentage of the marks means, or say for example, what is the complete percentage of the second CSC means, I can view it in the form of a chart. Okay, so that is nothing but the presentation graphics or presentation graphs. What is the software we are going to be using means, the basic things I am telling. Not only this, you may have different softwares also. Okay, MS PowerPoint. Coming to the third one, in entertainment we are using Maya, Flash, etc, etc. Okay, and in education and training we are having flight simulators, naval simulator, automobiles. These are some of the software used, okay, internally. And coming in visualization, color coding, graphs, surface rendering techniques. Completely about this surface rendering techniques we are going to be discussing in the third unit. Okay, at that time you can understand how a picture is going to be visualized, what are the background things involved in it, what are the techniques involved in it, you can know at that particular time. And in the computer art, you are going to be having a free logo marker software. Okay, and a PABG, something someone has told me there. Okay, that is also one of the software used. And in image processing, as I told you, depending upon the type of a thing, whether it is a medical environment or whether it is a scientific environment, depending on the type of which type of image you want to be processed, those type of softwares. Here I had given you some software, Adobe Cam, Amida, analysis of functional neuro image, like this. Okay, so these are some of the softwares used in the computer softwares used in the basic applications of computer graphics. Clear? Hope everybody are clear all of this. Thus we are going to this all, of course, previously. Now not only these softwares, we are having so many softwares doing with this also, but the one and only thing involved to do all these things is nothing but the computer graphics. Okay, so I will share the one of the picture also. 1 second. Yeah, till now, whatever I have been discussed, I am going to be showing in the figure. Just have a look. We have seen this computer graphics introduction, types of computer graphics. Next, we have seen. Hope my screen is visible. Yes. Yes. So if you have seen, these are the computer aided design. The second application, presentation graphics or graphs, entertainment, education and training, visualization, and the last one is computer art. Of course, I have not written the seventh one here. My image processing at the time of physical physical giving of the notes, you can view that particular thing. Okay. So hope you are clear about all these things. So we'll have a glance of look what we have been discussed today. Okay, so I will have someone is having note. We are going to this. Yes, ma. All these softwares are going to be depending on the type. Say, for example, if we want to have a computer animator, means you can go. You can learn some of the software which are included in the computer animator. Okay, means whatever the softwares like Maya, Flash. If you are having interest on that, means you can learn that particular softwares. Okay. Clear all of you? Hope my screen is visible now. So today what we have been seeing, first we have seen what are all the things, complete glance of the topics what we are going to be seen in computer graphics. We have seen that thing. And the second part we have seen that is the definition of computer graphics. So I will repeat again, what is the definition of the computer graphics, ma? Computer graphic is nothing but an art of drawing anything. That means any picture, whether it is a line, whether it is a point, whatever it may be, drawing something on the screen using computer with the help of programming. That is nothing but called as computer graphics. We have seen this introduction, right? And next we have seen, reply me in the chat box what we have been discussed. Depending upon your requirement, ma, whether it is basic or full course, it is upon your requirement. If you want to become a complete animator, means the complete course is available. You have to learn all those things. Okay, clear? 568. Next, computer graphics introduction we have seen. What is the third one we have seen, ma? Next we have, one second. Yes, we have seen the definition. We have seen, what happened? Yes, we have seen what is the computer graphics, and we have seen the definition. We have seen what are the different types of computer graphics, what actually involved in the computer graphics. Okay, next we have seen applications of computer graphics, applications of computer graphics. Next we have in detail about them. Okay, and next we have seen what are the softwares used in each application. Hope clear? So these are the things we have been discussed. Okay, so hope you are clear up to this. Okay, in the next, what is our next topic means display devices. As I already told you, whatever the thing we want to view on the screen, we need any of the display device. Okay, so in the next class we are going to see what are those display devices, how those devices are going to be working, what are different types of display devices. All these things we are going to be discussing in the next class. Okay, yes. Okay, anything? Ma'am, can you share the material which, yeah, sure, ma, compulsorily. I'm going to be sharing for your CR and GR, whatever the topics we have been discussing day by day. After finishing the class, I am going to be sharing the things with your CRs and GRs. You can collect from them. Okay. Yes. Anyone having any doubts? Hope everyone are clear with the topics. Yes. Design the games, computer graphic will be used. Yes. Yes, ma. Still? How to learn all softwares? Maybe separate course is there, ma. 578. Design the games, computer graphics will be used. Yes, of course. Yeah. Shall we close the session, ma? Okay. Your next class is WT class. Now I will share the link. You can go to the link and I'll keep the attendance link in the group. Please, everybody fill that particular link.